my name's Rob Jones. I play drums for a band called Ignitemares. We are a pop-punk, punk-rock band based in southwest Wales. We've been a band together now for a good number of years. We're a three-piece, and we are currently waiting for a couple of EPs to be mixed and mastered out in Sweden with our sound engineer. I personally have been playing drums for 16 years. I've played drums in a couple of bands over those years, mainly in the genres hard rock, metal and punk. I was initially attracted to the Collision brand when I saw the logo, the shield, the black and white aesthetic, colour scheme, and of course the white-black reverse drew me in initially. Simple and effective, wasn't too busy, didn't have too much going on, but it got the point across. The shield itself in the logo really just means, it's a strong symbol. Shield, meaning strength, and the cross sticks as well was just a nice touch to finish it off. And that was the first thing really, it's just a cool logo, and that's what got me interested in the brand. Another thing, now that I'm a bit deeper in, was the call I had at first, the attention to detail during the call, the fact that the Collision team took an interest in me as a drummer and a person, and that level of connectivity, it feels more like a family rather than just a brand. You're just a name on a brand. So I've come in at the cruise level, and I hope to progress further in the future. And another thing which I really like about the Collision brand is the behind the scenes stuff, which was explained to me in the call, where there's the backstage area as it's kind of called, and there are groups on social media as well where all Collision artists can get together and discuss all things drums and music, tips and tricks, network together, which is a very important part of the music industry. So yeah, they are sort of the main things that really sold Collision to me and made me want to be a part of the Collision family. Now, at the end of this clip of me talking, there's going to be a video attached of me playing. It was recorded in Bunkhouse in Swansea, where we practice and we play a lot as well. I'll be playing a song, an original song by our band, Ignitemares, and the song is called Howl, and I play Collision 5A standard finish sticks, and I also play Collision 5A stealth. I mainly use Collision 5A, the standard wood finish, for practicing, and then I use the 5A stealth, the black sticks, for gigs and live, because it just fits the aesthetic of the band and the colour scheme and the things we tend to wear on stage. So you're going to see a clip of me now playing a song by my band Ignitemares. The song is called Howl, and I will be playing that song using the 5A stealth sticks. Hope you enjoy.